it's Chef Kayla with Wild Adventures, and today we are going to be showing you how to make some awesome chicken marinades. So stick around and we will show you how. So we were scrolling around the internet and we found this. It is 6 different healthy types of chicken marinade. You have barbecue chicken, basil balsamic, fajita, teriyaki, cilantro lime, and Hawaiian. But today we are only trying 3. We are trying the basil balsamic, cilantro lime, and Hawaiian. So let's get to marinating. So I know y'all don't want to watch me put each chicken in each bag and pour in each ingredients. So we're going to do a time-lapse video of me putting them in the plastic bag and marinating them. But I will put the ingredients on the side and I will tell you what the ingredients are. So your first cilantro lime marinade, you're going to want to get some olive oil, lime juice, cilantro, sea salt, and pepper. So for your Hawaiian chicken marinade, you're going to want to get pineapple juice, soy sauce, olive oil, onion powder, dried ginger, sea salt, and pepper. For your basil balsamic marinade, you're going to want to use balsamic vinegar, olive oil, dried basil, sea salt, and garlic. Alright, so we have our Hawaiian marinade, our lime cilantro marinade, then we have our basil balsamic marinade. So we're going to stick these in the refrigerator and let them marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. Then we are going to stick them in the oven. So our chicken breasts have been marinating for about 5 hours now. So we're going to put them in the oven. So we got our 2 pans. The first pan's got a line of tinfoil. Then you got the next pan on top, ready to go for your chicken. Then you get another piece of tinfoil, like so. Grab your chicken. This is the Hawaiian chicken. I'm going to put it on nice and flat in the middle. I'm going to grab a spoon and drizzle some more of it on it. Some more of the marinade. Then you want to wrap it up. Like so. You're going to want to pull your pan over. And at the bottom of your chicken, you want to put a couple of holes in it. So that way the grease will come out while it's cooking. Okay, so we have all 3 of our chicken breasts wrapped up, ready to go in the oven. They are all labeled. This one has H for Hawaiian, this one has B for the basil balsamic, and this one has L for the lemon and cilantro. So we're waiting for our oven to get hot and we're going to stick them in the oven for about an hour and see what they look like when they're done. Taste testing. I got my water in my Wild Adventures tumbler. Product placing. But I have some water to clean out my palate on each time I taste each different one. So the first one we are going to taste is the basil balsamic. You can really taste the balsamic vinaigrette in this. It's pretty good. I like balsamic vinaigrette already in my salads, but on chicken it's pretty good as well. Alright, next I'm going to try the cilantro lime chicken. Really taste the lime juice in this. We actually use real limes for this, for the juice, and we cut up the cilantro ourselves, so it's fresh. We can really taste the cilantro and the lime in this chicken. And last but not least, we are going to try the Hawaiian chicken. You can really taste the pineapple juice in this. And a hint of soy sauce. It's not too strong, but it lets you know it's there. It's pretty good. So if you want the other ingredients for the other chicken marinades, I will put a picture right here. So if you like this Cooking with Chef Kayla video, make sure you like it and like all of the other videos in the Cooking with Chef Kayla playlist. Also hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.